It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day here in Charlotte. I'm John with Access 21, and today we're checking out the Charlotte Water Lantern Festival in Symphony Park. This park may look empty now, but soon it'll be filled with thousands of people. The first few attendees are checking in now. Let's check in with a couple of the attendees.
My name is Ronnie. New experience. It's a water lantern festival. I've never done that before. I'll maybe meet some new great people and just the experience itself.
My friend gave me the idea and I was like, oh, this is cool. And it sort of reminded me of Rapunzel in a way. So I was like, oh, this would be like really aesthetic. Like, I want to come. I think just taking pictures, hanging out with my friend, eating. I want to eat too. Oh, putting the lanterns on the water too. That's part of taking pictures.
This event was presented by One World Lantern Festival, LLC. On their website, they describe the event as bringing people together to light the water in a magical night that includes food, music, and beauty. Now, if I had to sum up the day with one word, it would be love. Love in every form was everywhere you looked. Young couples celebrating their love, family members remembering their loved ones, and families sharing the love of this moment together. Music from two local musical groups filled the afternoon air. Inside every pack, each attendee got a water lantern kit, a pack of cards, and other goodies to help pass the time and connect with each other on a personal level. The sun is setting on the afternoon, and one last activity is about to begin. Anyone who wanted to could come up and share with the entire crowd the story of their lantern.
Girlfriend and a boyfriend, and I draw some hearts, and then I draw a clown.
Guys, my name is Eliza, and I decorated all four sides of my lantern.
Good evening, everyone. It was so long. That's what my wife said. This is my wife, Lanija. My name is Jazzy. We actually got married 4 weeks ago today. And this is our first official date as husband and wife, as Mr. and Mrs. Redmond. I also have a drawing I drew of my lovely wife, my lovely. Psalms 121, 1 and 2. I lift my eyes to the hills. I look for my help, and my help comes from the Lord, the creator of the universe.
And ours are pretty similar, but mine was Ecclesiastes, I'm not even reading that. Mine was Ecclesiastes 4:12, says the cords of 3 strands is not easily broken on this side. This side is a sunset because the sun is setting, and I was feeling really peaceful out here, and I just wanted to remember that. I have hearts here because I ran out of ideas and I didn't want to have a blank panel, so I was like, hearts, because why not? And then this one just says our names, Lanija and Jazzy. My favorite part is actually on the bottom. Y'all can't read it, I can barely read it, but it says, for my husband, Jazzy and I, love the Redmonds, established June 15, 2024, and here's to our married person.
The stories that were shared ranged from hopes and dreams
You know, that was her last conversation with her mom.
to gut-wrenching loss to supporting others and just thankfulness to be alive and everything in between.
I haven't said her name in 5 years because it's been really hard.
A lot of times after a woman has a baby, we forget about the woman.
Finally, the sun had set, and we were now ready to launch the lanterns. The next time the Water Lantern Festival comes around to Charlotte, I highly encourage every single one of you to go. It is a night you will not forget. This is John from Access 21. Good night.